got my little girl, and then I moved here, and there was only one Tika puppy boutique, and it was up north, like around Boca, and I went there, and I
Oh my god.
I spent
Oh
on
my
the dog
god.
back then $650, which is a deal. Okay, it's like those dogs I don't pay $650 for. It was a deal. It was like a 10-star. I don't know why it was so cheap, and
Oh my
I
god.
ended
So
up
cute.
spending on clothes that day when I got back.
Oh.
Oh, but did you know? Are you getting jealous?
Because it's fun. That's, you know, it's fun to get something. If you get them
Oh my
used to it,
God.
then they'll do it. If you don't get them used to it, then forget about it. There's no chance you can put a t-shirt on a dog.
Oh, so cute. Oh. Hi.
This is a boy, man.
Put a t-shirt on him.
Oh, got
And he
balls.
won't move.
It's a boy. It's a
Bye. Nice meeting you.
Oh. They're so cute.